Okay, guys, today we're going to be opening up the Peter McKinnon Pete's Power Life brass pen, the Pocket Pro. I had to refresh several times on the website when he did the drop. This is the package it comes in. I'm not going to show the other side because it has my address and stuff. So let's unbox this thing. So I got the brass edition. That's the logo. Big Idea Designs. He teamed up with them. I was wanting the Pocket Pro from Big Idea Designs, but they didn't have it on their website. So you got Fly the Flag. Let me focus there. Big Idea Designs. So this pen can seamlessly transform in length depending on the refill size. You get this. It's all about the patina, which is like the wear that you get on the pen. Just some directions here. I guess if you need to change out the clip or something, or take the clip off. 100 plus refills, and I'll link to Amazon. You won't find this particular pen because this is a Pete's Power Life drop. So you get these stickers, some extra springs, spare parts, and then the pen itself. So So it does have some weight to it. Um, let's see if I can get that. So I guess you just turn it. So it extends. You can extend out per um, whatever you're using. So it's really just to carry around with you in your pocket if you ever need to write down some quick notes or anything. I'll get a field notes book real quick and we'll test it out. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully this is just kind of giving you an idea of what this pen looks like. If you ever want to follow Pete's Power Life on Instagram and you hope to get one yourself at the next drop.